welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled my sister's 4C hair. She looks so gorgeous and I took out time to style the hair today. So let's get started on how I made this. You know what? The first thing I did was I used water to ensure that as I'm combing this hair, it's not so hard, it gets soft. And I gotta spill water over here, but that's okay. So I added shea butter because I feel like shea butter helps the hair to really get so soft. And when you mix shea butter and water to your 4C hair, it's going to be soft and you can comb this really well. So the first thing is ensuring that you comb every part of this hair out and make it as soft as you can. To style this hair, I'll start from the back and I'm using my cotton comb, although I'm just using a normal tape comb here, and I just cut that. Oh my god, I'm looking for my comb again. So I'll just start from the back. I cut the back and I just gradually keep doing this. So just watch and see what I'm doing. I cut, I comb, I add more shea butter. Like, I love using shea butter. That's the only thing I use on my hair and on my sister's hair, and we are good, you know. We are 4C girls on a budget, if you get me. So I'll just cut that portion out at the back and then comb this, put it in the bun, fold the edge of the bun and just tie it with the rope there. I like using a rope because I feel like it holds the hair together, but you can just use an elastic band, but it doesn't work for me and I just stick to using my thread. So what I do is that I fold the thread over to like 5 times, and that's what I use. You can see she's holding that right now. That's what I normally use. If elastic band doesn't work for you, use your thread like that. So I'll just carry on till I do the 3 portions at the back. You just watch this. One thing you should just notice that I try to make sure my pattern is as clean as possible. You can even make yours better than mine. And I use thread to put it into a bun. I fold the bun and I add like shea butter to ensure that the hair is really moist and shiny. For the last one, I'll be creating a pattern in front, and to create a pattern I'm still using my take home. It's pretty much very easy. I'm just creating the pattern, and then that pattern will just be the twisting I did in front. And for the back, the same thing: comb, apply my shea butter, put it in a bun, fold the bun. I just love how it's so easy to come up with different styles that suit the 4C hair. Most times so hard to put our 4C hair in place. So I decided that I'm going to be sharing different hair styling technique for our 4C hair, just so that we can always have something to do with our hair. Most times I'm like, what am I going to do with this hair? Or she has the same thing too. So I'll keep sharing more videos on how to style your 4C hair. It's my new obsession, guys. Please just be here with me. But I know you love it. So I'm moving to the front, and now I love twisting. So I'll just put this hair into a twist. You can see my shea butter. I have a big bowl of shea butter that I use. I advise you to do the same. Get it. It's great for your hair. You don't need so much of that product if you're using this shea butter and water. That's what I use. So I'm just twisting this out, and later, of course, I'm going to open up the twist to just have my coils in front, but I'll need to twist this first. And what I'm doing when I'm twisting this is I'm ensuring that, number one, my hair is still wet or a bit damp, and I'm adding the shea butter to my hair before I twist, to make it as just make it moist and really cool. Just add texture to it. So I'm twisting all the fronts. I can actually do this on my own hair. If you don't know how to twist, you should learn it. It's not that hard. One day I'll do a video on how to do that. It's really easy. Now that I'm done, I'm going to be adding edge control to the back and the sides, and I'm using a toothbrush. Don't stress yourself. I'm using a regular gel here, white. I'm using a transparent white gel. If you don't have edge control, just get your gel, okay? And I'm using a bobby pin to hold this down so that it just looks as smooth as I can get it to look like. Okay, so if you don't have edge control, just use what you have. Use a gel. I got this for 115 naira, and that's what I'm using for this hair. I'm just using a little part of that. Okay, so when I'm done styling, putting on my baby hair, if you like, it's not compulsory, and your side, right, what will I call it? The hair at the side of the ears and all that. Okay, when you're done with that, I'm going to be covering this up with a scarf, and what that will do is that will just make the edge control or the gel just stay down, and that will make the 4C hair stay down. You know it's hard to get your fussy hair to stay down. Okay, so when I'm done with that, we will now do our face beads and then reveal our look. Just did a quick face bead for my sister. I have another video of these face beads where I'm going to just be explaining everything that I did there. You have the video in the description. The link will be there for you to go check it out if you're interested in that. Okay, so just did this little face bead and then we'll continue with the hair. So next, I'm taking out the twist, and this will just give you more volume and make it look like, you know, you have some coils on your hair. But you can decide to leave the twisting if you like, but she wants hers taken out, so I took it out and I just like pinned this down so it doesn't fly off every time you're outside. And this is how it looks. This looks really gorgeous. I love this. I love how I was able to get the fussy hair tamed and in place and looking good. So that's the tutorial of how I styled a fussy hair. I hope you like it, and I hope you do the same thing for yourself or for your daughter or for your child, anybody, or your sister. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Bye bye. Please don't forget to leave a comment or share this video and give it a thumbs up. Bye.